Hello guys and welcome to Quick Solution. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can see your friends activity on Instagram. So if you hit this heart icon right here, where are your notifications, back in the day you would be able to see your friends activity on Instagram, but unfortunately the Instagram disabled that option, that feature, and you cannot do that anymore. One thing you can do is you can see your notifications right here, and you can see if someone liked your post or someone viewed your story. You can see that activity. Another thing you can do is right here, as you can see, there is that post, and I can see that is liked by this specific account that I'm also following. So that tells me that the person viewed this post and liked this post, and I can see some little information about their account, as well as I can hit and see what other people liked this post. So this is basically what you can do, because Instagram disabled that feature and you cannot view anymore the activity of other persons or your friends on Instagram. But these are a few ways you can see a little of the activity on the Instagram application. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, just hit this like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.